What do you do? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So you already know that AI is getting smart every time, and right now AI can trade for you. It doesn't matter whether you don't know how to trade or you don't know how to read charts and stuff like that, because right now AI can trade for you with one single click. So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can automate the whole process and let AI trade for you and all that good stuff. And of course we're going to be recording the whole journey and stuff like that so that you guys going to see what's happening. So without any further ado, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So AIFinex is a company specialized in development of AI or artificial intelligence to operate in Forex market, the largest financial market in the world, with a volume over $6.6 trillion. So Forex market is actually big. So this AI operates directly in clients' broker accounts without a user needing to understand the charts, indicators, and tools and strategies and stuff like that. So the AI can pretty much do anything for you without you knowing how to trade and stuff like that. And this is very important because AI is way smarter than human being. And guys, keep in mind that you have full control over your funds in your broker's account, and this AI is only gonna help you to trade and stuff like that without you putting effort and everything. So to be clear, this is not copy trading. This is you giving AI access to your account so that it can trade for you. So you still have control over your funds and your account and everything, but only thing that AI is going to do is just to trade for you and all that good stuff without you needing to follow the markets, do the technical analysis and all the labor and stuff like that. So this is one advantage of trading with AI. You can also see the benefits of trading with AI instead of copy trading and stuff like that. And remember, if you copy trade, it means that like someone is pretty much trading and then you're just copying them. If they lose, you lose, you know what I mean? But then with AI, is way smarter than human being. It can trade way better than human being and make profits every time. So this is gonna be my first video showing you how exactly you can create an account and link the AI to your account and stuff like that and watch your account grow. And I'll be recording the whole journey so that you guys can see how this AI is performing in my account and stuff like that. The link is going to be in the description below so that you guys can check out AIFinex and stuff like that and all the good news that they're coming up with. So first thing first, what you want to do is to create an account with RoboForex right here. And RoboForex has been operating since 2009 and is internationally regulated and stuff like that. You can also just Google it and all that, right? So to create an account is very simple. All you have to do is just to register right here. You put your email, your username, your mobile number, and then you register and then you're good to go. And guys, very important for you to be able to link your AIFinex account to RoboForex account, you need to use their referral link right here, which is VKPQ. Just type VKPQ right here and then you register your account. So once you verify your email and stuff like that, of course you're gonna have to verify your account by simply submitting your ID or your passport and your address, right? Your proof of address can be anything like bank statements and stuff like that. And once your account is approved, that's when you're going to have to create an account with AIFinex, and then after that you're good to go. But right now I want to show you how exactly you can create an account with AIFinex, because I already created an account with RoboForex and my account is verified. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how exactly you can create AIFinex account right here using the link in the description below as well. So to create an account is very simple. You just have to fill up your information like your name, your username, your email, and your phone number, and then you put a password and click register. So once you register, you're gonna have to activate your account. So you're simply gonna have to go to your email because they sent you a link that you can use to activate your account. So now you can see that we have successfully registered our account and it has been activated and stuff like that. And just gonna have to click I agree with terms and condition and then redeem coupon. So they're gonna give us some next points right here. You can see that I have got 5 next points right here in my account. So this is good stuff. So for the AI to work and be able to trade on your account, next points are required, and these next points are like AI's fuel for it to work. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can get the next points. right here on your AIFinex account. So just to summarize how this next points works, so every time AI makes profit, 20% of next points is deducted. All right, and if there's no profits, nothing is deducted. In other words, AIFinex only earns if you earn. You know what I mean? So right here you can see that we are on AIFinex dashboard. Very simple and very clean, and my account has already been verified right here. I already activated my email and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna show you how exactly you can deposit and get some next points right here. Other than that, just keep it in mind that you also get 5 next points right here after you register. So you can use these 5 next points to test your account and stuff like that within 5 days. So to deposit is very simple. All you have to do is just to click deposit right here, and of course you can deposit using some USDT BP20 address right here. So you can either scan this or just copy the address and make a deposit, and you're gonna get some next points. All right, now you can see that I've got 20 USD, and I'm gonna use this 20 USD to get some next points. So let's go ahead to Wall Street and buy next points. So I'm gonna select this plan right here. We're spending 20 USD to get 20 next points. All right, remember the AI is gonna use these points to trade on your account, RoboForex account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select it and then click confirm, and just like that, you can see that it says congratulations, you've bought 20 next points. So we're good to go. All right, I also wanted to show you what plan are we gonna select right here by going to my profile and then go to user guide, right? So we're gonna click RoboForex. So if you want more info, you can just go through this user guide, but I wanted to show you a plan that I'm gonna select. So right here you can see that they have got different plans right here. All right, but let's start right here. It says there are 2 strategies that AIFinex offer. There is Titan and Guardian. So in this video I'm going to focus on Titan strategy, and this strategy is focused on stability and structural protection. All right, and Guardian strategy is focused on low frequency, high precision trades with integrated stop loss protection. All right, so this is more like advanced strategy, and it costs also. So you can see that Titan strategy has got MT5% account. All right, and the minimum capital is 300 USD right here. Stop loss minimum is 300 USD as well. This estimated daily profit 2.16 USD and stuff like that. All right, so this is the account that we're gonna use. So let's create a new account by going to accounts and then click new account right here. Right, and of course right here you're gonna have MetaTrader 5. Account type is gonna be MT5%. Hedge system is gonna be USDT. We're using USD, and of course the leverage is gonna be 1 to 2,000 leverage, and you're gonna agree. You put your password, and most important, make sure you put this partner's agent ID VKPQ. All right, and once you're good, just gonna go ahead and click confirm, and just like this we have got a new account. This is the exact account that AI is going to be trading, so make sure you put all those details correctly. So now I'm just going to deposit some funds. Remember, we have to deposit 300. That's a minimum amount required for this AI to operate. So you can see that there's different payment methods. They have got quick payments right here, which is Binance Pay and AIFinex Pay. And of course you can use your bank like MasterCard and stuff like that. E-wallet of course is there. There's Skrill, Netlaz and stuff like that. Bank transfer and international transfer. All right, so all these payment methods you can pretty much use to find your account. And remember, this is your account, and AIFinex has nothing to do with your account. You cannot withdraw or deposit money and stuff like that. The AI is only going to be trading on your account, so you're still gonna have full access to your account. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly use Binance Pay like this, and then right here I'll put 305 USD. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click continue to Binance Pay. All right, so this is just a confirmation. It says you're about to deposit 305 USD, and this is just conversion from Binance Pay, all right, to our MT5 5% account. So we're just gonna go ahead and click deposit like this, and then continue with our deposit. All right guys, so to add your account to AIFinex is very simple. You have to do is just to click add account, and of course right here you can see that our broker is RoboForex, of course, and right here you can see our strategy, which is Titan strategy, and we're using MT 5% account, and leverage is 1 to 2,000. And right here we have to put the amount in USD, so we're just gonna put 300, the amount that we deposit on our broker. And of course right here we have to give it a nickname, so I'm just gonna say heavy crypto like this, right? And then trading account. Okay, so we have to get the trading account number right here. All right, this is our trading account number. All right, so I'm just gonna copy it like this and then paste it on our AIFinex account right here. And then we have to put our trading password, of course, and then click connect. So I'm just gonna accept terms and conditions and connect. And just like that, you can see that our account has successfully connected. And guys, keep in mind that AIFinex run from Monday to Friday, and you already know that on weekend Forex market is closed and stuff like that. So our account has successfully connected to our broker RoboForex. All right, and you can see that we have got this balance in our account, which is 305 USD. And guys, remember that the AI cannot withdraw or deposit funds to your RoboForex account. The AI is simply trading for you, and of course is exclusively trading on gold. All right, gold to USD. And one more thing, you can simply delete your account, and it's not going to affect your RoboForex account, and all your funds are secure. You know what I mean? And they also have an app that you can install right here in your phone. So you can also check your wallet right here. You can also check your wallet, whereby it shows how much funds you have in your account. And of course, you can also check operations right here. And remember that this bot is running in real time. Right here you can see that I've just started it, and you can also see the profits that I'm making on this bot. And remember, this bot is trading on gold, right? Gold to USDT. So this is the amount of profit that I've just made right now, as I just started this, this bot. All right, so it's very, very cool. And you can also see the amount of next points that I've paid. Is very, very, very low. So this bot is working in real time, very, very good. And right here you can check your account. So I only have one account that this bot is operating on. All right, so this is good, cool stuff, man. You can see that we have already started making some profits right here, and this bot is running in real time. So far we have made at least 0.01%. right? You can check right here. Alright guys, so after running this AI within 24 hours, you can see that we managed to make some profits right here, almost 8 USD. And remember, we started with 300 USD, and of course our balance is increasing and stuff like that. And you can also check risk thermometer right here. You can see that it's still on moderate and stuff like that. So this is all cool stuff. And also very important, remember we bought at least 20 next points, and they gave us free 5 next points, right? So we managed to use at least 1.6 next points, I guess. So that's almost nothing compared to the results that we're getting, right? So these next points can really last longer, and these next points are only used to fuel up this AI. You know what I mean? This is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can use AI to trade on your RoboForex account without any issue, even if you don't have knowledge or you don't know how to trade, because right now AI can pretty much trade for you and you don't need to do anything. So if you find these videos very interesting, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as you're really helping the channel, and I'll be giving you a lot of updates and showing you guys how our account is performing and stuff like that with AIFinex and RoboForex broker. You know what I mean? So the link to AIFinex is going to be in the description below as well, and as well as RoboForex. Make sure you follow up all the steps that I showed you in this video so that you guys can be able to trade with AI as well. So therefore I'm signing up, and I'll see you in the video. Love and peace guys, and cheers guys.